A binary relation R is defined on the set of integers by x related to y if and only if x minus y is equal to 3c, where c is an integer. Prove that R is an equivalent relation. Take solution. For us to prove that R is an equivalent relation, we have to prove that R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. We take the first property, I, reflexivity. We have to show that R is reflexive. For us to show that R is reflexive, we have to show that for every x we take from a set of integers, x is related to x. This is what we have to show. Now, x minus x for every x from the set of integers is simply equal to 0. 0 can be expressed as 3 times 0. Remember, 0 belongs to the set of integers. In this case, our c is 0, which belongs to the set of integers. X minus x equal to 3 times 0 if and only if x is related to x. It simply means from this, x is related to x because we can express x minus x as a product of 3 times an integer. Then we conclude, therefore, for every x we take from set, x is related to x. This reflexive. R is reflexive. The next property, 2i, we have to show that R is symmetric. We have to show that for every x, y, take from the set of integers, x related to y implies that y is related to x. We take the first one, x is related to y if and only if x minus y is equal to 3c, for c belonging to z. X minus y equal to 3c will imply that if we write negative y plus x, it is still equal to 3c. Then if we factor out negative 1 times y gives negative y, negative 1 times negative x gives us x, and this will equal to 3c. This will imply that if we multiply both sides by negative 1, y minus x will be equal to negative 3 times c. This will give us y minus x to be equal to, we can express negative 3 here as 3 times negative 1 times c. This will give us y minus x to be equal to 3 times negative 1 times c. Negative 1 times c gives us negative c. This will imply that y minus x is equal to 3 times negative c. Then you must recall that c belongs to the set of integers. Then negative c also belongs to the set of integers. For negative c belonging to z. Then this will simply imply that y minus x is equal to 3 times an integer. It simply means y is related to x. That's what it means. Then we can conclude, therefore, x related to y implies y is related to x. When we write by the side, arrow is symmetric. We have to prove the third property, which is transitivity. Here we have to show that for x, y, z belonging to the set of integers, x related to y and y related to z will imply that x is related to z. We take the first one, x related to y, if and only if x minus y is equal to 3c, for c belonging to z. We take the second one, y related to z. Y is related to z if and only if y minus z is equal to 3c prime, for c prime belonging to z. Now we have to show that x is related to z. That's what we have to show. If we take we have for two equations as such, x minus y is equal to 3c. We have a y minus z is equal to 3c prime. If we add the two equations, x will come down, negative y plus y gives 0, negative z comes down, x minus z will be equal to 3c plus 3c prime. This will give us x minus z to be equal to, we can factor 3 times c plus c prime. Then you must recall this for c, c prime belonging to the set of integers. Then their sum, c plus c prime, must belong to the set of integers, for c plus c prime belonging to z. X minus z equal to 3 times c plus c prime will simply imply that x is related to z. That's what it means. Now we can conclude, therefore, x related to y and y related to z, then x is related to z. It simply means R is transitive. We give our general conclusion from I, 2i and 3i, the relation R is an equivalent relation. It is an equivalent relation because it is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. We are done with the proof. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.